Hello everyone, hello lovely students, welcome back to this video session. Hope you all are doing great in your life. My name is Ashwant and I'm from India, which happens to be a very awesome, wonderful country. And today I have got a really exciting math lesson for you all. Want to know what's that? Then please don't skip and make sure to stay with me all around till the end. Here we go. So we've got these two questions for today's session and we have to find the range. And I request you all to pause the video, read these questions carefully and try to solve them on your own. Alright, now let's solve these questions with me. And before we get into solving these questions, I would request you all to watch my previous videos where I have taught some basic concepts for finding the range, because we're going to use those concepts for finding the range for both these functions. Well, so let's start with the first one. So for the first question we have f of x is equals to 1 upon 3 cos x plus 5. Solution of first one. So f of x is equals to 1 upon 3 cos x plus 5. So we will start with cos of x. So in trigonometry, we all know the range of cos of x is closed minus 1 to closed 1. And we'll try to create this structure that will eventually give us the range of the required function. So now we multiply cos x by 3. So when we multiply a given expression by some positive constant number, then to get the range of the modified expression, we simply need to multiply the left hand and the right hand boundary point and we write it. So we multiply 3 to negative 1, we get negative 3, and to the positive 1 we get 3. So this is the range of 3 cos x, negative 3 to positive 3 closed. We have simply multiplied 3 to the left hand boundary point and to the right hand boundary point as well. Now we will add 5. So if we add a constant, this all I have taught in my previous videos, you can watch it once again. So we'll add 5 to the left hand boundary point and to the right hand boundary point. So this will be your 2 and this will be your 8. So the range of 3 cos x plus 5 comes out to be 2 to 8. Now we have to do the reciprocal because our original function is 1 upon 3 cos x plus 5. So for that purpose we'll have to do the reciprocal. Now I have made a special video regarding the reciprocal, how to find the range of a reciprocal function if the range of a function is given. And there are two cases. The first case when both the boundary points are negative or positive, and the second case when one boundary point is negative and the other one is positive. So this actually belongs to case 1 because both the boundary points are positive. So for doing reciprocal, we simply do the reciprocal of the left hand and the right hand boundary point and we reverse their order while taking care of the open and close interval. But in this situation, both the boundary points we have close interval. So for 8, we have 1 by 8 after doing reciprocal and reversing the order. We the right hand boundary point 8 after reciprocal, 1 by 8 it will become the left hand boundary point of the required expression. And for 2, which is actually the left hand boundary point with a closed, so it will become the right hand boundary point after reciprocal with a close. So we have a range of 1 by 3 cos x plus 5 as 1 upon 8 to 1 upon 2 and closed from both sides. So this is actually our fx. So the range of fx we have got as 1 upon 8 to 1 upon 2. Now let's solve the second one. Let's find the range for the second one. So okay, just so we all know the range of fractional power of x is close 0 to open 1. And we'll try to create this structure in few steps and eventually at the end we'll get the range. So now we'll have to multiply the fractional power of x with 2. So when we multiply with 2, we simply multiply the left hand boundary point with 2 and the right hand boundary point with 2. So we get 0 into 2 as 0 and 1 into 2 as 2. So twice of fractional power of x, the range we have close 0 to open 2. We simply follow the basic rules for finding the range, and Once again, I repeat, I have taught all this in my previous video, so you can watch it again and again to understand in a much better way. So now we add 3. So now when we add 3, we simply add 3 to the left hand boundary point and to the right hand boundary point as well. So the range comes out to be 3 to 5 for twice of fractional power of x plus 3. Now we do the reciprocal because the original expression we have 1 upon twice of fractional power of x plus 3. So we do the reciprocal, right? So we have 1 upon twice of fractional power of x plus 3. Okay, so for doing the reciprocal, when both the intervals are positive, we simply do the reciprocal of the left hand and the right hand boundary point, and we reverse their order while taking care of their open and the close sign. So here the right hand boundary point is 5 open, so after reciprocal it will be 1 upon 5 open, and the left hand boundary point is 3 closed, so after reciprocal it will be 1 upon 3 closed. So not only we have reversed the order of the left hand and the right hand boundary point after doing the reciprocal, we have also reversed the open and closed sign along with. So you have to be very careful with that. So that's all for today's session. So this was all about today's session, and I did my best to make you all feel comfortable and happy. If you liked my video, then please share it to your friends and loved ones, and make sure to subscribe my channel and hit the bell icon to get the notification of my next upcoming video. See you all my lovely friends in my next upcoming videos with more exciting and a lot of awesome questions. Till then, bye bye, stay safe and have a nice day.